Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Educational Wisdom. In today's video, we will solve important numerical problems of kinematics for class 9 and 10 physics. These questions are very common in board exams and tests, so watch till the end and practice with me. Let's start. Question 1. Unit conversion. Convert 160 km per hour into meter per second. We use the formula meter per second equals kilometer per hour times 5/18. So, 160 times 5/18 equals 44.44 meters per second. Final answer, 44.44 meters per second. Question 2. Unit conversion. Convert 36 meters per second into kilometer per hour. Formula, kilometer per hour equals meter per second times 18/5. So, 36 times 18/5 equals 129.6 kilometers per hour. Final answer, 129.6 kilometers per hour. Question 3. Acceleration unit conversion. Convert 15 kilometers per hour squared into meter per square second. We know 1 kilometer per hour squared equals 112,960th of a meter per square second. So, 15 divided by 12960 equals 0.00116 meters per square second. Approximately 0.001 meters per square second. Question 4. Comparing accelerations. A cyclist increases speed from 5 km per hour to 7 km per hour in 10s, while a car goes from 0 to 20 km per hour in 10s. First, convert into meter per second. 5 km per hour equals 1.39 meters per second. 7 km per hour equals 1.94 meters per second. 20 km per hour equals 5.56 meters per second. Formula, A equals V minus U, T. Cyclist, A equals 1.94 minus 1.39, 10. A equals 0.055 meters per square second. Car, A equals 5.56 minus 0, 10. A equals 0.55 meters per square second. Conclusion. Car accelerates 10 times faster than the cyclist. Question 5. Ball thrown up. A ball takes 2 seconds to reach the top. At top, V equals 0 and G equals 9.8 meters per square second. Formula, V equals U minus GT. 0 equals U minus 9.8 times 2, U equals 19.6 meters per second. Initial speed equals 19.6 meters per second. Question 6. Distance using graph concept. Car moves at 20 meters per second for 20s, then stops in 30s. Distance equals area under speed time graph. Rectangle, 20 times 20 equals 400 meters. Triangle, 1/2 times 30 times 20 equals 300 meters. Total distance, 400 plus 300 equals 700 meters. Approximately equals 1 kilometer. Question 7. Uniform deceleration. Initial speed equals 50 km per hour equals 13.9 meters per second. Final speed equals 0. Time equals 60s. Formula, A equals V minus U, TA equals 0 minus 13.9, 60A equals minus 0.23 meters per square second. Negative sign shows deceleration. Question 8. Speed time graph. From the graph, O right pointing arrow acceleration, AB right pointing arrow constant speed, BC right pointing arrow 0 acceleration, CD right pointing arrow deceleration. Question 9. Distance from 10s to 20s. Speed equals 50 meters per second. Time equals 10s. Distance, 50 times 10 equals 500 meters. Question 10. Total distance from graph. Triangle OA. 1/2 times 10 times 50 equals 250 meters. Rectangle AB, 10 times 50 equals 500 meters. Triangle CD, 1/2 times 10 times 50 equals 250 meters. Total, 250 plus 500 plus 250 equals 1000 meters equals 1 kilometer. So friends, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.